The other way you can do this is, if you have the graph, you can come up with two different inequalities for that graph. This graph says we are numbers that are bigger than -3. So this one would be greater than, let's use x. X is greater than -3. We're not equal to it. And we have x is less than or equal to 3. When we put those together from least to greatest, the least number is -3. The least number is -3. And then the small side is pointing towards the -3. So we're going to copy that. Then x is greater than -3. But then we have this other restriction that says x is less than 3. So x are the numbers between 3 and -3. But we can also be equal to 3. Okay, let's try one more. We have -2, and -2 is the biggest part of this. So -2 gets the big side. We can't be it, so we're not going to put an equal to part. But x can be less than -2. And then we have the number 1. 1 is the smallest part of this side. But we can be it, so we're going to put the equal to. And then x can be greater than that. When we combine these two, we get x can be less than -2, or x can be greater than or equal to 1. And let me just show you one more, like a little abbreviation. We can abbreviate the word or. You don't have to remember this, but you're going to see it later, with u. We can do that because we have two inequalities that don't overlap, so that's a union. So or is a union of two things that don't overlap. So we can have x is less than -2, union x is greater than or equal to 1. You're going to use this bottom one. You're going to use this form in Algebra 2. But we're going to use the top one in this class mostly, just so you can get used to inequalities. Okay, so now you should know how to graph compound inequalities.